What's up, Western New York, rest of the world on YouTube. 1/10 scale RC trailer based off another YouTuber's video, and I will link that description below. I'll show you all about it. This is a TT02, just to give you a size comparison. I'll give you some measurements on it, how I went about it, and give you all the specs and details. Show you all about it here in just a minute. All right, so the cool thing I liked about this design and the way I did it here was with flat bar aluminum, is that you're not having an axle go from wheel to wheel, and you're having wheel articulation on each axle kind of set up that way. And I'll get right in here. So this is how I kind of went about it. Screw through the center. I went with, right now it's just a piece of like a pen casing inside of it, with you know, just a bushing on the inside. And I gotta do a little bit of testing out with it, you know, just see the best way that the wheels are going. So in that original video, didn't really go into what was happening there. I went with a full piece of wood through here throughout, and yeah, I think I went with the angle iron on the side for a 90-degree angle iron. For most of this is just your 90-degree, small screws on the inside here. And I actually, if you see this here, I just kind of cut and bent this around the edge, give you that clean corner. Same thing on this side, and really just fabricated, cut a notch into here. And then this part, I think I'm going to shorten it up a little bit. I think it's just a little bit too long. There's some TT02 tires there, but I have this, and again, I'll get to your measurements here shortly. I could fit a TT02 on there, and then I can also fit the TRX4 on this platform as well. All right, now that I'm on a time warp setting here. All right, measurements real quick here is 10 inches in width, 16 1/4, you just trust me, all the way to the back. What I'm thinking of doing is either, I like the design of his where he had the triangle setup going here, and you know, toolbox to keep things. This is kind of raised up a little bit, but I also might, with a full piece of wood in here, Dremel in wheel marks perhaps, for like a TT02 or a vehicle setting, or I just might look at D-rings along here, maybe something for a chain setup for each 4 wheels. I'm not really sure yet, so you guys got any ideas, let me know. Comment below, and just give me your ideas. Love to hear them.
Are you gonna talk?
Yeah, I'm gonna show the articulation here, with the way that can go over. Again, this is just like a wrench, try to get us some lighting, and we're wheeling it over, just showing you how that can go over. Yeah, take a look here, yeah, see how those go over it without having any sort of shocks or suspension. Pretty cool, huh? I thought so too. All right, so that's where I think I'm going to, currently it's pretty long. If I gotta get a hitch still for my bumper. I did one-headed originally, but I did the modification where I spliced it and flipped it for some more ground clearance. And that's no longer there. So I'm thinking somewhere in there, but I think it looks pretty good. And I'm just holding it up there. Has sort of a downward angle. And I think it looks pretty scale. Again, let me know what you think. DIY. Most of this is angled 90-degree, except for this first part. Is the only thing there. Actually, and then the other thing underneath. These are not, all the suspension, that is not a 90 degrees. So really that's what you're looking at. It's flat aluminum. Yeah, if you can get in there, let me get in there. So yeah, it's just a screw. Yeah, oh yeah, what'd you do, hurt yourself? That's a screw with a, like I said, pen cap almost type deal, or outside, and then the outside screw going through there. All right, let me know what your thoughts are. I'll get some video of this once I do get it all. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit when I get this finished up. I want to get some outside video of it, and again, maybe haul around the TT02. I also have an idea for, with the same type of wheel system, for maybe a boat trailer, have this go up a little bit higher, maybe it be 90-degree angle iron, being kind of like a chassis. So I was just driving around looking at some stuff and just giving it my thoughts. So alright, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow along, and we'll keep you going on the RC journey here. Thanks everyone.